We're gonna be reinstalling my old wig after I have colored it. So let's get right into it. Here I have actually washed it and colored it to kind of a ginger color, so we're gonna be reinstalling today. So already I do have my wig cap on, so we're just going to melt this in. I have my mirror down here, so we're just gonna melt this in. I have ultra hold spray. Gonna go with a layer of got-to-be glue on the wig cap just to secure it, okay? Use just something with a smooth flat surface and just pull this, just get it to absorb into the cap. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my melting band and just press that as tight as I can, just to give it that tap. That seems all dried up now. Kind of like if you have a wooden stick, that would be much better, but this is what I have, so I'm gonna just pull forward so that whatever excess wig cap that I didn't cut will lay flat as well. Okay, so we're gonna blow dry now. So we have to blow dry till this is almost completely clear, then we'll put another layer. Okay, so we are gonna just pull the lace down. it got broken, so I transferred it into this bottle. But I'm doing the corner somewhere so you see what it actually looks like. I'm gonna use this just a spray. Okay, now so just out so we can do the baby hair. I'm gonna use my edge booster. Okay, so I'm gonna go over with the spritz again, but this time with my hand over the edges, just going to use my hair wax. This is what it looks like. So this is what the final result looks like. So I'll put my makeup on, then I'll be back. Hi guys, so this is the final look. What do you think? It's pretty? Yeah. So if you just follow all the steps, remember drying process is very important when your glue is being applied. If it's not really clear, then you get like white residues on the lace. So I hope you're gonna find it easy to be able to achieve like this soon by yourself.